I'm getting ready to do a live feed, Tom. I'm live now. You'll have to wait a minute. All right. Good evening, everyone. It is March 19th, 2020. It is 11:28. This earthquake took place 22 minutes ago. USGS just said there was a 5.5 Western Mongolia. They've got it at 6 miles in depth. Hey, OC. They've got it at 6 miles in depth. They haven't got it located next to anything at this point. All right. This is a preliminary. It just happened. All right. EMSC. They've got it at a 5.9. I had it at a 5.7. Upgraded it to a 5.9. I'm going to let you see this now, and then I'm going to refresh this screen. Okay. And we're going to refresh. And refresh. Wow, guys, they've now got it at a 6.0. All right. EMSC had it at a 5.7 up to a 5.9. Now they've got it at a 6.0. Western Mongolia. They've got it 175 miles south of HOVD, Mongolia. All right. Let me copy that one because I don't have this one. They just upgraded it apparently. Let me copy that and put it in underneath there. Now, I don't know if USGS is going to upgrade that or not, but I'm putting it in under EMSC. All right. Upgraded. Paste. All right. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth, guys. EMSC has got it at 6.2 miles in depth. They've had it at a 5.7, a 5.9, and now they've got it at a 6.0. Let me go check out GFZ because they're the ones that posted this first. GFC. Let's see if they upgraded it because they had it at a 5.7. Also, guys, they still have it at a 5.7. All right. That's what they said. I can't help it, but that's what they said. GFC has got it at a 5.7 Mongolia. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. And we'll wait and see if EMSC drops that back down or not. We will see. Let me go to the map and check and see who else has got this and why EMSC said it was a 6.0. Let me open that up. There's nobody else. Let's refresh that. All I got is GFC and EMSC and USGS. Let me go back to USGS and see if they're going to upgrade that. I'm going to refresh USGS right now, closing down the app and going back. USGS still has it at a 5.5, guys, Mongolia. Now they've got a direction in some place close to it now. All right, now they've got it, just have it Mongolia, not Western Mongolia anymore. They now have it Mongolia, 17 miles south of Dzuyl, Mongolia. And they now have it, they still have it at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. They had it just Western Mongolia, and now they just updated that with a place, as you noticed. We're going to go back to EMSC. We're going to close them down and reopen them one more time. Opening up EMSC. All right. And we're going to their page. Oops, they got it back down now, guys. They now have it back down. I told you, you got to wait. Now they've got it at a 5.5. I don't know what to tell you guys. They took down the 6.0. You saw it. I showed it. Let me go ahead and copy this now and put this into along a 5.7, a 5.9, a 6.0, now a 5.5. I joke with you not, guys. I joke with you not. Let me go here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? WEBPAGE 5.956.0. I got to put that right under there. Downgraded 2A after USGS post and post it. Okay, now EMSC has now got it at a 5.5. Let's see if they changed. No, they still have it. 175 miles southeast of HOVD, Mongolia. Only they've got it at 1.2 miles in depth, guys. They've got it at 2 kilometers, okay? All right. So, yeah. EMSC's had it at a 5.7, a 5.9, a 6.0, and now a 5.5. USGS said it was a 5.5. Mongolia. 117 miles south of DZUYL, Mongolia. Let me take you to this earthquake. The closest volcano was 309 miles away. Oh, wow. Now we got a whole bunch of people popping in. Let's see. GFC still has it at 5.7. Australia said it was a 5.8. Let me get more information and see here. Now I see where you, yeah, okay. Let me pull up Australia for you. Guys, you pick your earthquake center. That's all I can say. I'm enlarging this now. They've got it at 6.2 miles, 6.2 miles in depth. This is the Australia Earthquake Center, okay? They just have it in Mongolia. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. They have it at a 5.8. All right, let me write that down. In Mongolia, GOLIA, 6.2 miles in depth. All right, let me copy the Australia Earthquake Center, put that in the link as well. So hang on one second. You guys know I try to give you at least 4 for you guys to make your own mind up. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, let me go to the notes. Then I'm going to see if that was, nope, it wasn't disaster alert yet, but I will go find them. All right, so we're going to put right under GFZ, Germany Earthquake Center, we're going to put the Australia Earthquake Center for you. Australia EQ Center. And paste. All right, let's go to the web page and copy that, what they're saying there. All right, so let me go there and copy it. And it's like I always say, all earthquakes are subject to change via their own earthquake centers. I have no control of it. So if they decide they're going to downgrade this, they can do that very quickly. And copy. All right, Australia's in here. All right. All right, we got Australia. EMSC. Everything they said it was is in here. Okay, 5.7, 5.9, 6.0, 5.5. You'll have USGS. They've got it at a 5.5. They sent out a tweet 5.5. Now we're going to go to disaster alert, guys. Going to disaster alert on this one. This is an unusual place. Mongolia, really? I have never had one this big in Mongolia. Little ones, 1.2, 2.3. Never a big one like this. All right, let me go see if they've got it up here yet. It's 2 hours ago. There we go. It is here. Let me read what disaster alert has, and then I'll post it into the notes as well. An earthquake of magnitude 5.5 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred, 28 kilometers south of DZUYL, Mongolia. As reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary. All right. So it stayed at 6.0 for a matter of 1 minute. Copy. and put it back into here. Disaster alert. And paste. Thank you. Get rid of the garbage. All right. All right, we got it there. Sorry. Now we're going to go back to this earthquake, and we're going to pull it up on the map so you guys can see it. All right. All right, they're saying the closest volcano was 309 miles away. They now have it as green, normal, dormant. As you can tell, the one down there at the bottom is the volcano. Okay. All right, guys. Estimated release of power for this earthquake. Now they're using GFC since GFC said it was first one to post this. All right. They said it was estimated release of power 5,351 tons of TNT, equal to a 0.3 atomic bomb. Okay. All right. You're not only going to have the estimated release of power, you will have closest volcano 309 miles away, color coded. Oops, forgot to put green, normal, dormant in there. Green, normal, dormant. All right. Then you'll have the epicenter. All right. You'll have EMSC. You'll have Australia. And you'll have USGS and disaster alert. No tsunami warnings for this earthquake. It did not come through with a tsunami warning. This earthquake did take place, but it's too shallow, I'm thinking. Let me copy that. I want to go back again and make sure exactly where it took place. All right, so we're copying this. I've got it copied. Going back to the map. As you can see, this took place on land, nowhere near the ocean, nowhere near the sea. It is on land. All right. All right, guys. I'm going to go now and post this onto YouTube for you. So you will have all links. So hang on one second. Let me get this posted for you. My page, channel. I want to have it on there before I leave so you guys can see it. Okay. And edit and paste. We will check the links one more time since EMSC has had it to 4 different magnitudes. We're going to go check it one more time, okay? All right, here we go. It is now in YouTube. And I am going out of YouTube, closing down all earthquake centers as we speak. All right, so here we go. No. Close that down. We're going to go to USGS first, okay? There she sits right there, 5.5. Down here in the red, that means there's still a preliminary. They haven't turned it black yet, like they do their normal. USGS sent out a tweet saying it was a 5.5, which you have. They've got it Mongolia, 17 miles south of DZUYL at 6 miles in depth, okay? All right, now we're going to go to EMSC for the last time. They just sent me a thing from Disaster Alert. Seriously, I kid you not. Hang on one second. Oh, look at this. They've changed it one more time, guys. One more time to the brink. All right, hang on one second here. They now have it at a 5.9. They had it at a 6.0. And look what I got. Looky, looky, looky. They changed it. It's now at a 5.8. All right, so now EMSC's had it at a 5.7, a 5.9, a 6.0, a 5.5, and now a 5.8. Somebody needs to get checked there, okay? Let me copy this and put it in the notes in YouTube and in the notepad. Let me get this here. Can't believe them. Thomas, you're going to have to hang on a second. She's in bed. Tomorrow morning is when she wants you to give it to her.
Oh, I thought you said...
Thomas, tomorrow morning. I'm on the live feed here. Upgraded. Paste. All right, I'm now saving it on this. Now we're going to go to YouTube and upgrade that a little bit. What do you think? I can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. Going to YouTube, my channel. We're going to go to edit. Now I got to go find EMSC in those notes. So hang on one second. EMSC, there's 5.7, 5.9, 6.0, 5.5, right there. Upgraded. And we will post that. Hang on one second. Paste. Sheesh. Okay, they've had it 6.0 back down to a 5.5, now back up to a 5.8. Western Mongolia. Let me go see if USGS has changed their mind. Let's change that and go back to USGS. Opening up USGS. No. As you can see, USGS still has it at a 5.5. All right. 5.5. All righty. Now we're going to go to EMSC and make sure that I'm afraid, guys, that's a little scary thinking right there. All right. All right. They still have it at a 5.8. All right. Let's go through the numbers. EMSC's had it at a 5.7, a 5.9, a 6.0, a 5.5, and now a 5.8. All right. All those links will be in the description box in YouTube. I just posted them. Every one of them. All right. Make up your mind, EMSC. Make up your mind. All right, guys. That's what we have. God bless each and every one. Please be safe out there. You guys are totally awesome. If USGS decides to upgrade that, I will come back and give it to you. All right. Much love, guys. 2 thumbs up. All right. It is now 11:45. I'm going to bed. If I don't get rid of this migraine, I'm not going to be doing the earthquake reports tomorrow, except for major ones. Okay. I'll let you know in the morning. You have yourself a great evening. God bless each and every one. Please be safe out there. Sending much love.